All right, estudiantes, let's look at science, namely our science fusion book. To do that, we're going to go to this tile over here that says Think Central. Now, accessing this online is something you're very familiar with because we have done this together in class multiple times. You usually see it from the teacher's point of view as I'm sharing it whole group, but as you log in as a student, I'm still logged in as Abby on here to show you what it looks like for a student. It has things to do. If I were to assign you something specific, this is where you'd find it. But instead, we're going to My Library. And from My Library, we have a choice of mathematics and science. We're going to choose science for the purpose of this video. And you might think that you should choose this big yellow tile that says Student Edition, Grade 3. But what we actually want is down here at the bottom, Student Resources, Grade 3. It is more interactive and what you're actually used to. So this is familiar to you. And here's Unit 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go all the way down. We're almost at the bottom. Unit 10, Unit 11. Unit 10 is Ecosystems and Interactions. This is what we've been working on in class already, so some of this will be familiar to you already. If you look, this has a virtual lab available, and this has a virtual lab available. You can go to Student Edition to read the book. It gives you the digital copy, and you scroll through each page to read the Science Fusion book that is in your cubby in the classroom. So we have read some of these things already, but it'll be helpful for you to find your vocabulary. A population is all of one kind of organism living in the same area. That will be helpful to you as you try to fill out the vocabulary pages posted in Google Classroom. Now, there's also virtual labs, and digital lessons are the things we have worked through in class. So we might click on what are ecosystems and click play. Again, this pops up.
This clouded salamander looks hungry. Its favorite place to hang out is inside or under logs in rainforests.
So that's kind of a fun activity for you to work through as you go through each slide. Daddy's home. So Abby's excited about that. But that's how you're going to find the information you need to complete these science activities.